runs once. Okay, everything's done. Now it's posting on Instagram. Perfect. Now we're gonna go to database. It's here. The link, Discord account, and this was changed to posted. We're gonna go to Instagram here. We're not, and here we have. Hi everyone. Today we're looking into how to schedule and post reels on Instagram using Make the account. Well, first of all, let me show you the flowchart. Okay, we're gonna use a database, Google Sheet. Then we will save and download using Google Drive and host and Discord, and finally post on Instagram. Now, what do you need? First of all, you need to set up a Google Sheet as a database. Okay, now go to spreadsheet. Now here we're gonna create a new one, and here complete the fields here. We're gonna name Instagram Reels. Here we need a title, a URL, date, and if the reel was posted. Okay, okay, and now I'm gonna make some changes here. White and bold. Okay. Now here there's a format, date, and here we're gonna use a drop down option 1, posted, option 2, schedule, and here I'm gonna change the color. This is perfect. I'm done. Okay. Now the next thing we're gonna do here is create a new folder in Google Drive. Let's jump into Google Drive. Here we are, and here we type Instagram videos. Great. Okay. Now it's done. The next thing, what we're gonna do here is create a Discord account. Okay, well, this is so easy, you know. You go here and search Discord here, and here you create your account. It's so easy. Okay, when you got it, finally, now we're gonna automate ink make the account. So let's jump into make the account. Okay, we're gonna create from scratch. Remember, step by step. So here we're gonna create a new scenario. Well, now go to Google Sheet, and here we're gonna search rows. Okay, and spreadsheet ID. We're gonna look for Instagram Reels. Okay, sheet name, sheet one, and here we're gonna make a filter here, date, and here we're gonna use the format date. Now, and here we're gonna type day, month, and year. Okay, perfect. Now, that's all. The next module that we're gonna use here is use Google Drive. We're gonna search for the file, we're gonna search for the video that we'll upload. Okay, here the file, Instagram videos, and retrieve files, search, folders and names, and here we're gonna search for the title. Okay, now this video we need to download. Okay, so download this file. The file ID is the file ID of the last step. Here we're gonna save it here, and here we're gonna use the Discord account. Discord, and we're gonna send a message. Okay, we're gonna choose the channel, or we're gonna create a new channel here. In this case, I'm gonna create a new one. This will be Instagram videos. Alright, it's done. Now, here again, I'm gonna look for here and Instagram videos. Okay, I'm gonna activate advanced settings. Message. This is a test. And file. This automatically will recognize the Google Drive. Okay, the file that we were downloaded here. Perfect. So everything is okay. Now the next thing is here we're gonna add to Instagram for business. Okay, and here we're gonna select create a real post. Perfect. Select the account we're gonna use. Page. Here we have. And the URL. Here we're gonna put in the real from Discord. Okay. And caption. You can put here some description, some hashtags. In this case, I'm gonna just put this is a test. Okay. One thing more here, share to feed. Okay. Perfect. Now, the last module we're gonna add here is again go to Google Sheets and we're gonna update the row. Here we will drive the spreadsheet again. Here Instagram. Reels, sheet name, sheet number 1, and row number will be the same as the first module. The row number, okay, is the first, is from here, this first module. Alright, now what we're gonna update here is the URL. We're gonna use a Discord URL, and if the video were posted. Alright, it's done. Now we're gonna make a test. Okay, go our database here. I'm gonna create and schedule a new post here. First of all, we're gonna schedule and then we'll be posted. Okay, here the title. I'm gonna put here the title of your file. Success. The date. You can put any that you can imagine. I'm gonna put here 22 month and 2024. Alright, this is schedule. Okay, now I need a file. I need a video. From this, I'm gonna go to Google Drive again, and here, this is the file that we are creating. I'm gonna update here the video. Okay, perfect. This is the video. Success is the same name that I'm using in our database. Okay, well, we have everything. Now I can go to make the count and runs once. Okay, everything's done. Now it's posting on Instagram. It takes some time, but in a few moments it will be done. Perfect. Now we're gonna go to database. It's here. The link, Discord account, and this was changed to posted. We're gonna go to Instagram here. We're not, and here we have. This is the post. Okay. Now that was perfect. Now, well, now what are the advantages that we have here? Schedule and polish unlimited times. Remember, use the time. It's free. Increase engagement. Consistent posting and content creation. And you can focus on other aspects of your business where reels are being automatically published on Instagram. Okay, that was all. Now, remember, we're gonna use Discord and Google Drive because Instagram has some requirements. Here, you can see that you can post videos from Google Drive and from Dropbox. Okay, that's the reason we're using in this case Discord to host the video. Okay, now this is similar to the previous video that we're gonna create with pause in this case and some images. Now you can get a sound database if you want. Anyway, you can do more things if you want. You can use ChatGPT to create your tags, your descriptions, and not here, okay? But well, you can in Make the Calm you have a bunch of possibilities that you can add some modules. You're free after all. Now, I think that's all. So I hope this was helpful and stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.